In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Snape in LEGO Harry Potter. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to unlock Snape, you will need to do some certain actions in the potions classroom. So Snape can be found in the secret room in the potions classroom. So go to Hogwarts, access the potions classroom, and then go through the door on the right side of the screen. When you go through that door, in the secret room, there will be 3 tasks to complete that require certain characters. So first, you will need to complete a painting that wants to see a member of Hufflepuff, Justin Finch Flatchley. So you can unlock him in year 2. So as long as you present him to the painting, you will be able to get this task done. The next task is going to be a puzzle to create a goblin vault. So by using Grip Hug, the goblin with the key, you will be able to get this done. So use any means necessary, switch to Grip Hook, and you will be able to get it. And finally, a bookcase, which can be done with Hermione. As long as you go over and you complete the painting, the puzzle, and you interact with the bookcase with Hermione, you will be able to complete these 3 tasks. Doing these 3 tasks will give you 3 keys. You can use these keys to release the puzzle blocks to build a platform up. And when you go up that platform, the Snape unlock is going to be to the left of you in a chest. There is going to be a red brick to your right as well. And all that you have to do is go up there after you build the stairs, and you will be able to unlock Snape. So all that you have to do is go over to the classroom's hall, go over to the potions classroom, and then enter the secret passage to the secret room. In there, you will be able to do the 3 tasks like I mentioned. Make sure that you have Griphook, Justin Finch, and Hermione, and you will be able to get this done to unlock Snape. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Snape in LEGO Harry Potter. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.